Hello students, welcome to another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about identifiers. All C++ variables must be identified with unique names. These unique names are called identifiers. Identifiers can be short names like X and Y or more descriptive names like age, sum, total price, etc. Int my age equals to 60. It is a good name of variable because it is easy to understand and we can understand why this variable is used for. So we should use this type of identifiers. Int a equals to 60. This is not a good identifier of variable because it is not understandable for what a is using for. General rules for unique identifiers. Names can contain letters, digits, and underscores. All the variables names or identifiers can have letters, digits, and underscores. Name must be begins with a letter or underscore. When you are creating a variable, its name or identifier must start with a letter or underscore. It should not start with a digit or number. Names are case sensitive. A and small a and capital A are different variables. Names cannot contain white spaces or special characters. You cannot add spaces, white spaces or special characters in identifier or variable names. These are not allowed. Reserved words like C++ keywords such as int, loop, for, these can't be used as a variable's name. Incorrect identifier examples. These are some examples of incorrect identifiers. Move name. This is incorrect because it has a white space between move and name. A123. This is also incorrect because it has also a space. Spaces are not allowed. 1J. It is also not allowed because a variable or identifier must not start with numbers or digits. Correct identifier examples. Move underscore name. You can also use underscores between the words or names, but spaces are not allowed. A123, A underscore 123. This is allowed because you can also use digits, but it will not at the starting. You can use in the between variable name or at the last. Underscore temp. You can also use underscore at the beginning of the variable name. So these are some correct identifier examples. So we are going to do practicals for variables identifiers, and we must know which error comes if we enter wrong variables names. First, I am writing a basic code for C++. I am writing some incorrect identifiers, and we want to know what error comes if we enter wrong identifiers. Variable must not start from any special character. So I am running this code. So these are the errors which tells us that these are not allowed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.